Okie doke, the kallax drawer unit. This is the little drawers that you put in. Okay, goes into that, like that. I've already done the doors, I've done one set. Basically you get your box, solid bits. You get 4 backs, I've already made a drawer. 4 drawer sides, 1 back, 1 front. The rails, an insert, and all these little stupid bits and pieces. I'll show you quickly how to put the drawer together because it's not that difficult and the instructions are pretty okay now. What you're going to need: hammer, flat bladed screwdriver, crosshead screwdriver, that's all you need. Nothing else, unless you're into all your fancy tools. I'll just get that done like that now, and let's see what I'm doing. This is what you do. First thing you do, take your drawer front. Let me turn that round because it's not too good here. Better. I take your drawer front, there's a slot on it. You use the cardboard box that you bought in, see if it's getting scratched. What?
Whatever.
So I'm recording stuff here. I'll try it anyway. Get this right to make sure I'm okay. I'll do it from there. So, get your drawer front, lay it down. Your dowel. There's 4 holes here. 1, 2 dowels. Take 2 of these furniture screws that go in. Got a thread on one end, slot on the other. Thread goes into the hole next to the dowel. Start off by hand. Okay. Screwdriver. That's it. You can use electronic screwdrivers if you want, but you don't need them. Not for this job. Okay. And then do the one in there. There you go. That's it. Don't over tighten. There's no need. It's only for them, but you'll damage it. Okay. So your drawers there. Next what you do, you take a drawer side. Okay, now these drawer sides have got a slot on the top. On this side they've got a hole and 2 little holes. You can ignore the holes for now, okay. What you do, the centre hole goes over the metal spike. Like that. Goes onto the dowel, tap it in. Take one of these little plastic fasteners, and if you look closely you see there's an arrow on the front. Make sure the arrow is placed to the front of the drawer and that slots over that. So you can see that just slots over it. Take your flat blade, turn it so it's tight, and do the same on the other side. Remember, hole to the outside. This slot has got to be facing in. Tap it in. Plastic insert. Arrow facing the front of the drawer. Slot it in. Slot it in. Flip it with a screwdriver. Turn it around so it's tight. There you go. That's that bit done. Now, take the back of your drawer, make sure it's the right orientation. Right, because it could be too big, so make sure it just leads up the edge. But on the front of the drawer, there's a little slot here. That slot, white side facing up, obviously, that goes into the slot. Stand it on its face. Okay, look. Now you take the back of the drawer, which has also got a slot. Yeah. Bit fiddly this, but what you do, I don't know if the camera's catching it, just put it in the slot there. So it's all slotted in properly. Make sure it's slotted in. Then you fill it out. There's two little cutouts inside, just slide that in. Basically just slides into them little slots there. Make sure all this is in before you do it. What you do now, turn the drawer on the side. Make sure that everything starts to move there. Give it a second. Make sure it's all nice and tight. Plastic screws. Okay. Pretty sure everything's tight there. Don't worry about the bottom board moving. That gets fastened later. One of these in that hole. Yep. Hammer. See, it's fastened there. Turn it around. Make sure this back's in properly and hasn't come loose. Which it did. Pain in the other Slots it in. Two top bits of level at the bottom. Plastic screw. Hole there. Hammer. That's your drawing mate. What you do now? Lay it on this side. Take one of your rails. Now these will only go one way. The wheel has to be at the back, not the front. So it's not a wheel. This got little that goes over the hardboard, and it sits over them two little holes there. You can see that. Flat-headed grub screw, tiny little screws. Okay, they've got a flat head. Easy enough. The self-guiding Phillips screwdriver, whatever you want to call it. Do that on that side. Okay. Tight. Do it on that side. And the self-guiding, so don't worry about where they're going too much. They'll just hold the top end, turn it over, do exactly the same on the other side. The wheel will go to the back. These little lips will sit over it, hold the wheel base in. One. On that. Good. Nearly finished with this. But so there's two drawers in a pack. I've already done one, so I'm just doing this one, just to show you. Right. Handle, screw handle. This goes through the back of the drawer. Through there. Okay. Screws up. You can hold the back and give it a tweak. That's not going to turn. That's the handle pen. You have these little rubber thingy things there. Okay. And what you do, they just stop the drawer pan anyway when you put it in. I'll show you where they go. Put one in the top corner. For some reason I've already got 6. One in the bottom corner. Oops. On that. On there. You can move them around if you want. It's not a massive problem. They fall off eventually, they're pretty rubbish. That's your drawer mate. Okay. Now the next bit. Which can be open is this back piece. It's a foldable, floppy thing. But before we do that, you'll find in the pack this. Okay. So I can show you how to do it without turning the camera off. put this one here. Okay. So what you do? So. Try and get me white tool if I it's a bit easier.